you be a base human, we must obey human, which I say. I can't go see him, as a kind of blame also seen men America. Say, Mahama, say he's on the ball, Mamma, you see Papa and Mahama, okay. When you do not so can second or see my man, Madame Mills on Bombay, very bizarre. You have to your man or Thermos, and come so, it's right now, a woman who one man with fiscal attack or their fat lawsuits, which lawsuit no good not quarter. So evidence now bet much on but whatever it is now. Yeah, my maker don't call it, but even if it's true, I mean, somebody's private matter, I don't think could generate so and casa.
For any adolfo mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHS so moso for muniaba ekeskapa ne so minimum edi ehye na meje adwase dia mamo nim se Ghana wahala jumedie ena mede eba besun ashofo eni etifo na Ghana for the number of time and I say nansi yensem a yetiti nyina akwa ye eye papa no saga na obia sori a obia kabi enu mama nyumu aba nyina kwapo yesi we ho nkrofo ni bebre ne enu Emma Nancy, ya mame, Equiadonco, one also so called a year to me a year radio station, Echo Chichen, Pomobia, or Coco Bodi, and I say, a year former President John Dramani Mahama, Nidi, and other Coco to the cells, or Musso, or back up a panel, no more when he did or no, they were boarding. Now, what can you say a year or baby at a war, a year, and Tachma will be swat as a one also no, what will Edema pay a water a diamond no, and Ama a year 2016 National Democratic Congress parliamentary candidate are now a war for a year, and Tachim not. Yemia and I am a Madame Mary Ewusiwa filing a year defamatory suit against a year, Yemia Bema a year wound to be the channel. Ena ebiemu so no ya mame ekriadonko ena ebiemu host that will host the program no so eka ho no wo mo ede lawsuit akwa chichire wo mo ekon na ni dire mu no sika pupu dro wo de eto ho ede mo 1 million Ghana cedi na ebusia for ensem mu nchemu dodo na wo mi twa me ba me de baba beso
fitiani asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic Zana prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no baby a me hwe bia ma change afro ena maba too much GH shit na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
abusia for me sanso emamo akwaba ebiem so munya ebre edi edwetwen yen ma yetwa ye ho eba ye nyime kwa eso ya sen mama Juliet Ventures eba na inchense papa oba odi be sisi wo kitchen dia hwe ne chakwan ewo abekala pass so betimi afa ne number so ewo screen so na woni no edi enkwita ho na say ye delivery pa wa ye edi amount net roofings eba no edan so ebo roofing papa wodi bebo wodan so ma yakasa won so abaya na brante ma me na papa wa bradia ene hwehwe net roofings wo mo echa kwan na wo mo ntwa adwuma ne yopo pharmacy de wo mo edi ene wo mo honam etie ebusuafo Winners Aluminium Limited eba na aluminium works glass work where we see wood and we open glass door glass window wo shop wo office bi na wo prepare sa enoma we aluminium works any glass work to be done there ene hwehwe Winners Aluminium Limited na wo mo so endi sa adwuma no emma na wo so won ka say me dey yi ana me office amu SCC amano ayefe aye abefo edie awa watimi abo ho abaso ahu se wo so wadi nkunim ewo abrabom ene dey mi guest Mr. Richardson na ebiem so mi amenu aba Miss Mexical na ebusi afọ kan ho na yembonra enkomodidie ni Mr. Richardson mo akwaba bibi aboko Michelle say that na just mi ame who say yes agro na so anu no oba Messi mo akwaba nso Bibi aboko. Ya mi ado. Boko se we mu. Oh, me no se na shada anya boko sa. Asa wo pa se ma ke. Yo, Mr. Richardson me di free wo so. Ye ni aba ana ye mama Madam Mary Ewusi. Ye defamatory suit awode akọ ede ama ye wuntumi ne channel. Na ebiemu so ohene ba na esi the host of ye wuntumi program no. Na ye mama Ekuadonko. Is it right? Now, I right. I didn't think the man here right, so with me taking that decision.
Okay, it depends here too much. The followers will be my boss now. Okay. Well, too much don't say no cry no you about
Sure.
I think say it is right. So miss you
Okay.
You understand? Your mommy if you don't call, you na your mommy about no. You were gonna hire na I'm for string or you didn't want for a year so you can so I'm off with the moon drive. Save your mommy you to me, grant you radio interview now, save no I can say oh made in so tata radio so now it's not professional. Which I say so there should be somebody who to be advising or there should be an advice of your course where won't pick no one can say a brand no grant interview or friend or so is a Mammy, sorry, or become a senior seven. But senior seven, who know it is to your gain, but the person you are targeting the image, and to see you next to the assume for defamation of character.
Okay.
And sometimes it comes in two forms. If you want man, it will come with only the assuming, then you pay the damage. If you want after payment, to go to Kakraba, I think it's only
for the payment.
You know. It's not right. Journalism, I'm sure, so they have some rules that they follow. Some say, as any worker can judge here. You should know how to ask it. And I say, I say, what can I say? Yeah, it's just to be about you say now. Instead of somebody who so be economic petrol boom. And you say, "Can don't come on, my friend." I say, politics in tea, beef cardo in tea. That push up when our friend or concern that you know him. Who do you have? Open say trendy way no. I come back for Obama. We see on so. Also, she's a family. She has a family. She has people. And you'll be a base human. We move on base human. Which I say. I don't call I was seeing boy as all kind of blame also was seeing men America say Mahama say he's on the board Mama D was Papa name Mahama okay when you do not so can second was Mamma Madam Mills on Bombay very bizarre you have to fear man of them was so it's right now a woman one man with fiscal attack or their fat lawsuit multi lawsuit no could not quarter so evidence now bet much on but whatever it is now. Yeah, man, make a don't call it, but even if it's true, I mean, somebody's private matter, I don't think we generate this so and casa. You understand? Because yeah, man, me, Katama, I'm out for dinner for the other, we are part of the people, a lot of people who woman will need the wrong way because radio is not to refer at any time. They are the essence young. I mean, what's all it's time we be serious. We're getting behind the bed, joke, what I say. So I think that she should be careful with how she grants her interview. A common people be on she will set as example. But if only she goes to the court and she can defend herself, say, as long as I can see me, say, you're a mama, what is evidence? Fear no mamma, is what the man said, cry. One ever throw, I can't say, documents to say, Mama, then I'm more can say, Mama, back for some great DNA and other thing. For you know, can you be feeling so they're not in the crew it's not, I think it's not the best. Everybody has the right to his privacy. And so, one mind can't radio. So, you know, say, as let's say, I can't, but I need to be an idea and say, so, for more advice or more.
Okay. Messi. Yeah, she near my papa, Mr. Richardson, and some more dear to your mammy, see always you at the AM. Now, see always you a yam, a nipa back with a cocoa boarding. And see a year present, a year of Niban and Messi. One of those in account any wound to me channel no communication center and no Swiss account. I know the Kawamu and community will say, although it's a woman NFL, but I mean a can. Oh, Emma would be pim, so would be pim. It's a new question, and yet my minimum was said. But soon, I didn't know this a fun meal, so echo a hatching. You mean about me that was many of my community switch or BBR was sharing. Many about only must say, and Rawagana has it. And now stations now bam. I've grown it doors. I've grown it doors. Any opportunity beyond when you be along there is the thing to long person with the idea and same pattern. Niakobani said, you baby or free like Mary or NDC nation. You name Chama to me so. So MPP. Yeah, ain't it? Every woman won't quine. Ama yabe jina platform you so ebu NDC. Party new thing. NDC penny new thing. No one will say, okay, can't call danger. Okay. Oh, man, base you. Innocent woman, I'm a friend or not. Mundi must say, Mammy, wait, or you can't the age I would read there. Oh, yeah. And found the concept. Hey, you and me. Who can so say? No one is above the law. Okay. Or no, so I biam beba no and I'm also naba enti aban ku ade our rights of protecting the din of protecting the party now we protecting the president all standing for the candidate all standing for president BM mogu na ni mo ase enti still need the eden na me surprise na me nim say it will come meaning say meaning say beba because baby ekeka NDC MPP now what afraid you yeah what afraid you omo fell okay obeying so all aspire for like or your will be on post yeah what mean for be aging dia aya woni mu si wo ya woni mu dida it I media for so yeah they shouldn't think of nyomu benya pe okay but it matters we have to protect ourselves Mr. Richardson and semi ebe ekofodi bebre na epiemu ebinu bebebo Julius Debra no nko ne ba omu nyina ba bonti obi abebeka bibia aden na wo mu nyina no obi ntimi nsiu ne titu krampo former president John Dramani Mahama ne din a epiemu empofri mu dane da obi kasa ne din eba aden na wonu mom ntimi nsori engina ye nsiu ye o hwe ye dentia
I said I hit one hard what I say I hit one hard they said your power for ni kuneti na more casting baby I should be any feel I should be anything or take it matters up
okay
maybe there is something will be between some major issue on taking issue no on but with some minor issue no she will take it on because the cause is politics are frame
yeah
and I won't hear politics so that's here which I said I want to know what media we know right now we talk about it's for politics now
sure
and I'm making a few guys to say all my own kind of the opponent will write against you almost can't to almost say and I say give and take to almost what papa no money ride onto other people which I said to my own kind of now baby they knew what they was coming presenter I managed to lawsuit you know even though I'm not there but about the law aspect he can defend himself he's a presenter wanted to know about the issue so I'm going mama you can not go mama or for lawyer wait to try then I don't know multimedia way so you are doing their normal routine they didn't have the woman to mention Muhammad's name so sure. they also have a case whereby they have the lawyer to be their defendants
okay
but yeah mommy no wasting work so they don't do law one of the first so money evidence no because here is a woman back as made title bro say we share one no it's not even what you call say it's even over the court order and so so I think say you know some of their reacting there are worst cases that are going but if you anyway defy the she never reacted but and no back say I think she has a good defense style yeah mommy Mary no former who has parents I think say maybe she can't take certain issues so she has to quickly act to it so she has reacted so I also the perception you know
now to me and I will join politics so they have there before they are obianing baby hitting
exactly
okay
baby
orienting I want to know what say baby okay na make us anye nipa enkasa make us anye dey now so what kind of not to mum so na be men kofa ja to say
yeah
when they wa Virginia will pay beer. Oh, okay. Besides, on a life or nobody decided say I have to respond to you or I don't have to respond to you. Okay. And as I said, I'm gonna pack and kasa. Obia in a different way. Only wa phone. That say I'm pana or pana. Baba explain no say oh my phone and I say it's not of your business. Okay. It is silent. It means a lot, my dear. And at times, no, the best answer is I don't need to talk. Okay. Now, mommy, apart from say or day a year lawsuits, aqua, will pay a year sika, a year 1 million Ghana cedis. No, was there, she should say. So, one more 2 year grandpa, no, or my a year 14 days, on the Saturday, if you get and also now 1 more, no, which I am cancer. omo sanche wo ma ano disem no ensan
senior ka say see me no aye come say I dey kitikiti bia media for to mo show mo ye omo wa ye hi omo my information travel so easily of late
okay
say yeah any abom ho it I am mind what omo kan o kan and can go obi so a only evidence sa na beba no na when it comes to ye mami ya o si wo mu see and it did not matter of it's on my condition image so they have to come and retract it so mo ba
retracting it no na be man na ye den like
no who's a woman question I think that she's very careful about her image she's trying to clear the whole thing that she's not what they think she is. Maybe she, but you know, her marriage will be at stake.
Because then you say we are or Baba na we in the second born, and they say Mamma no so sad in same way. I
know what she.
Because currently the weapon of mass destruction, it's the media. That's it, man.
Oh yeah, now the media.
The media is a weapon of mass destruction. Go very far.
They have to come back. So it is important. Send me an American. We say I mean evidence. And we here. We just say we here. Okay. It's not
but it's a retraction.
Because if
it's only the law that can tell them to retract.
Okay.
Because right now it's going to court. It's assuming the court quarter they will come and defend themselves. That's their Hannibal presenter now. My multimedia is defending or moving to media and defending on.
Okay.
In TV retraction card they are not say can work about. When you court in your and the final judge, so you can't say whether they are going to retract or not because they on their side they have a say. They are doing their normal interview, which I say. If you are mommy or the saying you can retracting the words, I also want to get ready here. So you can't catch on the mama based on the kind
and I also see my
I think so.
Okay, Miss Richardson, like a media working in a woman know how they interact with people and answer then the massa in some way in a Bible because sure mostly and I'm saying some about way powers and station when the two suffer when or come when a year say and a presenter when they can't wait the family because of say woman to say for woman she no woman do media woman they won't man no be say banner.
May sure some course they are in school there are rules there but if they are follow.
Okay.
Even so social media and the other bad effect and draw say we almost the Ghana League the brand TBA or special out there service said we two on for the money go phones now we delete it with me or there's another app or bit me trace we phone on our friend say hey we was saying so we challenge another the chowa which is can be one and watch and some for us or describing them say o making I don't tracking you're tracking the home social food there or matching on see a man we 3 billion so wait me because we upload on YouTube or the discount one so I think that there is rules we are supposed to follow which they don't follow so right now I think no media person has an excuse you should go by the rules be professional you just say why professional what you found by any excuses because I'm sure if we were following all these rules, or even though some of them, I think we are promised to you big ups in, they do the right thing. You know, move forward, almost follow the same routine. I hear bad news and more trained, and I hear bad news and more famous. No, they didn't pay a chin. What I say,
because of say media work no I have for bia so you ultimate radio station bia so you ultimate TV bia like na ya just to say so ye di be so once obi wo ho no ultimate kokofa obi na wa interview no afa ade bi hu na aye boom na obi e ka wan say na ebusa na ehe na okoye radio station we na fi obi e pe radio station e che kwan because of say so media work no I have for and it's not a normal way in so
because of Nippon Yeti or mine.
Okay.
Ye persons, okay, so.
Okay.
And no, they and a media and so a business.
Okay.
Who establishing a business, our share environment near a beco year and I will establish you. It's media and so and noticing near a Nippon, what country more. Omeni jehun because almost business no more here. It's almost they are selling. And they know that Ghanaians will buy such information. And nothing our media no trending and tending into that kind of way. Can I say Banisam? It's a independent Timono, near a panel, and I will produce the mind, and I will provide the mind.
Everybody use flies and everybody gets 77.
And you will now build it. I know when I will baby will pay. So what would you show? And bad news, a trending power Ghana, and media personalities, so they are giving out news. If you want, yeah, so what the people are patronizing, that's what they will produce or they will provide for them. It's a media to follow the crowd. It's media to say, sex and then profane things just to pull the attention of Ghanaians into that kind of media and channel. It's so they are selling. They are trying to make sales because of most of the Ghanaians. They're supporting and I pay. Now, we person me who are giving a chair, my dream so kaka said defamation done and go for back. Now, yes, you wait for defamation. We also like we are coming once and Messuno. Me, this Cassia to one say. Because of say I binding this Sicano and I said then to stone a massa and no more because say yes you will be and I said we could cheer says people drone now on 1 year be 1 and 1 and I say yes I'm a yes she become one like want me to change in the war baby and I could be shy then as you can say I'm a young queen or could be more saying a tone in 10 years because of say I see Kana and she be new one in a man will be a feeling free to me could be once on himself or ye or ye the milk court of Crampona and make Kana Mina lawyer and one Bugos not yet ye chubby bear so I
won't say be mine yeah their own sound time just here Ghana I will be a police case after fine on a bushia is simple defamation of character. Sabi you do I bet me as you know just can you are. I also some codes on Okusia, Rika, Ebusia. That is simple Ghana has would you would but we know you know go a more drew. But the point is, service everybody can be yes, you know what's kind of what you are asking about a peanut man. He is capable of saying that again, what you are here. But Sankasi, we know about it, certain judgments are. I can't say we know which you have but Ghana your way and Brandy boy, you and Brown Ghana or
implement rules and regulations now.
I can't say law, I can't say to a law and Brandy be decided. Maybe who are something man, maybe I say, woman, yeah, and yet, criminal case, the family, you're going to but what's was you on, but say, you see, looking as anybody. After Scano, young fan called them 6 months, and also the law, or also a lawyer, it's not lawyer, or no be defending, which I say.
It's almost a yes, I defending. Say, I looked at my and go for fun of what I say is the Cadia here, or was it can be a bit me up, another one a year, MPB a close on him says he can on your car, a year, the MP with a baba to Yamami. Now I know I can't say, of course, why I didn't say. Danada, oh, as a for and analysis will be epoch cancer with the film will be no Kukuchian and one on them, Rafaphobia and Santa China say, if a papa for them and I eventually saw a this one. And I said, Ghana against me going man, Obama.
Loss or pan, a cousin, loss or pan. You will be sure, say, logically, would you find that by being in the form of shares at this time around the way, me. I do find as a sentence, which I say, by laws or
me never say, yes, you are. I have there is bond. Okay. And as Obi and you was Kaka, which is free in one. And Yenia. Okay. And no cry a punishment, okay. But Obi one a new super any assorting. And as I come for their own free and do that. Okay. Because once you didn't to me, and Obi one, and I just to be in your team. Oba bejai. Na lost ni de mi ni aba. E wo Ghana. E wo ha pa. Na why is you so ayo mo ti atenka no. Okay. Ba mi pese me bodi. Yeah, queen.
Okay, start season. Pacho for final words to Jamaica.
The final words they say I'm bad news travels quickly and I'm very fast. So especially today I'm on our brothers and sisters who are the journalists and the host people.
Okay.
If they say we are talking about Stonebwoy Massive, there are certain things that we don't expect them to say.
Sure.
We know they are doing it, we won't tell them to do it, but if they go astray, we can a little correct them because we have the right to do that.
Okay.
See, like again, same year now, there are machines and mechanisms in place. Who can be in office and you have to edit some parts and edit it from there to bring peace and get bad news which will make your station trends. Your station trends in terms of bad news. Is that what you want? No. So let's all do the right thing.
How do you to Jamaica?
Yo, baby, I'll show me. Democracy. And yes, I was sorry, and now I'm busy democracy. Oh, yeah, me, I'll pay. Everyone is scared to you, but I would give you a look or you can. Oh, yeah, go to you, but them. I'm a woman, Pepe, and Aja. It's the actually a new year, and you'll be assembly a Becca. And I summon walk. I said, man, no crap, and any nanny. Obu obeka say no crinty na wo ka say wo kan ye nyinya na obu ne mu fini de on dan dwen wo po ma yenye sa ade a didi obi a enye ne de no ye didi enye ye de no ma ye fan di enyonko
Yo, I was here for said yeah, net day, my bedroom for one do a man who December to them. Did ye pass? Will be half a moon abba, and what to baby? I wouldn't maybe I will a penny, one who you cow. I would see a woman who say. Bekoyama and I say enkoye emfa emma. I had a deal comedy no ABC. Subscribe to the channel so when you if you like videos. Now share for my ebusian for all the social media platform. If you want to wait me follow your way IG page @TumaGH_. Me did you made a channel meeting and a classic up and a dynamic guest Mr. Richardson and a Miss Mexico. That's the name. It was an issue. Macron.